Question 16. We've got a sphere. We're told that 3/8 of that surface area is equal to 75 pi. We've got to find the diameter of the sphere and give the answer in the form of a root b, where a is an integer and b is a prime. So we'll satisfy that once we've done a lot of the other work. So we've got the formula for the surface area of a sphere. So we need to find the total surface area of our sphere. And as we don't know the surface area, I'm going to call it S. So the first equation I can set up is using this line of information here. 3/8 of S is equal to 75 pi. So therefore, S is equal to 75 pi multiplied by 8 divided by 3. Well, 3 goes into 75 25 times. So S turns out to be 200 pi. So that's the surface area of our sphere. To find the diameter, we're going to have to find R. We're told that the surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r squared. So if we equate 4 pi r squared with our answer here, we will get R. So therefore, 200 pi is equal to 4 pi r squared. The pi cancels, and the 4 goes into the 200 50 times. So therefore I can say that r squared is equal to 50. And therefore r is equal to the square root of 50. Well, that's not quite what they want. They want the diameter. So diameter is equal to 2r, which is equal to 2 root 50. 50 is not a prime, so we're going to have to do some work to break that 50 down. Well, 50 equals to 5 times 10, and 10 is equal to 5 times 2. So this is equal to 5 times 5 times 2. So the square root of 50 is equal to the square root of that lot. And you should know that if I take the square root of 5 times 5, the answer will simply be 5. The root 2 we can do nothing about, so this is equal to 5 root 2. So coming down here again, this is equal to 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by the square root of 2. So this is equal to 10 root 2. So we get that A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 2. Does it fit the facts? Yes, A is an integer. That's correct. And B is B a prime? Yes, 2 is a prime. So that's the answer and it fits their requirements.